Honestly, I guess what I hope to achieve is, I guess, back home. Sports is not something that's encouraged for girls to do because, it's, culturally in Italian culture, it's for the boys, not the girls. So for me, I guess what I hope to achieve is just to help promote girls in sports. And my accomplishments or achievements. I guess we came here last year with a team of, it was me and 3 other boys, and we came first in the team relays last year for the Apolima Straight. Yeah. Honestly, I'm pretty used to being the youngest for competitions. I grew up with the squad back home and being the youngest. I've also done more competitions where I was the youngest. So to me, I think of myself just as the same as everyone else, but I am nervous. Yeah.
It's different in the sense that we have conditions of the wind tomorrow, 15 knots, 18 knots, so that will affect us. So in other words, will be a little bit not as smooth as in the past years. Yeah, it's basically tourism. Samoa Events is a tourism ambassador. We do things to bring people here to Samoa, and that's what we do. Yeah.